Hello children, myself is Miss Shalaka and I am your computer teacher. Okay, so today I am going to explain you lesson number 1 from your computer textbook. And the first lesson name is Computer or Modern Machine. Okay, so we'll start it now. Now let me share you one thing to you all. Yes children, see lesson number 1, Computer or Modern Machine. See children, there are many things around us. Yes or no? Yes. So some things are natural, such as trees, flowers and fruits. Yes or no? Few things we are getting from nature. Yes. Sun is there, stars are there, then water is there, plants are there. Okay. So these all things are natural because we are getting through nature. Now we'll see the next thing, but there are other things that are man-made, such as car, pencil and watches. And the other things which are going to be made by man, that are man-made things. Okay. Example, buildings, malls, all vehicles like car, okay, bus, then watches. These all things are known as a man-made things. Why? Because man made all these things. Okay. So there are two types of things. One is natural things which we are getting through nature, and the other one is man-made things which are going to be prepared by man. So all of you clear about all these things? Yes? Yes, very good children. Now we'll see the next. What is a machine? Okay. Children, what is a machine? You tell me, who made this machine? Nature? No. Perfect. Nature not made this machine. Then who made this machine? Yes. Man made this machine. Okay. So a machine is a man-made thing. Now I want to show you one pic of a machine. Can you see? Yes, your favorite computer. Okay. So computer is a machine. Yes or no? Man made this machine. So machine is a man-made thing. Now children, next we'll see what is the use of a machine. See children, we have different machines available at our home. Yes or no? And different machine have the different uses. But how it is going to helpful for us when we are using the machine? Yes, machines save our time and make our work easier. You asking me how? I'll give you one example. Now see the pic of a next machine. This is which machine? Yes, perfect children. This is a washing machine. Okay. Now I want to give you one example. First, you tell me before I give the example. First, you tell me what is the use of this washing machine? Yes, it is going to be used to wash the cloth. Yes or no? Yes. Now suppose I want to tell to you, tomorrow you have to wash your whole family member cloth by your own hand. Listen my question carefully. Okay. I am going to tell to you, tomorrow you are going to wash whole family member clothes by your own hand. You will not supposed to put that all clothes in the machine. How much time you will be going to take? Yes, definitely more than 1 hour. Yes. And what will happen within that 1 hour with you? Yes, you will feel tired. Yes or no? Your lots of energy will get waste. Yes. So instead of washing that cloth by your own hand, if you are going to put all clothes in a washing machine, how it is going to help you? How much time it is going to take? It is going to take only 40 to 45 minutes, means less than 1 hour. And your energy is not going to get waste. Yes or no? Your energy is going to get saved. your time is going to get saved and your work become easy. Understood, children? So this is the use of the machine. So all of you clear about all these things? Yes? Now we'll see the next thing. Now we are going to see more about machines. We use machines in our everyday life that I already told to you. There are different machines available at our home and different uses are there of that machines, yes or no? Now we are going to see the few machines which is going to work on different things. First, some machines run on batteries. Which one is? We'll see now. Yes, clock. Okay. Now see children, this clock is going to work on battery. It is going to run on battery. Yes. Or it is going to run on electricity. No, it will not work on electricity. It will run on battery. Inside the clock, there is one cell. Okay. So if you put that cell in the clock, definitely it will start to run. So this kind of machines run on batteries. Now we'll see the next machine. Some machines run on electricity. Yes, again your computer. Yes. So some machines run on electricity. If electricity is not there, then this desktop computer will work, children? No, not at all. It will not work. So this kind of machines require electricity. Can you tell me few names of machines which available at your home and which runs on electricity? Yes. Tell children fast. Yes. Perfect. Air condition, television, refrigerator, oven, mixer grinder. Very good children, perfect. Okay, so these some machines run on electricity. Without electricity, it will not work. Now we'll see the next machine. Some machines run on fuel. Oh, your school bus. Okay. See children, this kind of machine require petrol or diesel. It will not require electricity to work. Your school bus is going to run on electricity? No, na? No, it will not run on electricity. Then it will run on fuel like petrol or diesel. Okay. So some machines run on fuel. All vehicles run on fuel. Okay. Now we'll see the next machine. Some machines need our efforts to work. Which one it is? Yes, children, your bicycle. I know most of you like to ride on a bicycle, yes or no? Or is it going to run on electricity? Or is it require petrol or diesel? No, it will not require petrol or diesel. Then how it is going to work? Yes, perfect. Machines or bicycle need our own efforts to work. Okay. So all of you clear about all the types of machines? Okay, some machines run on batteries like clock. Some machines run on electricity like television, computer, air condition, refrigerator, washing machine, etc. Some machines run on fuel. Maximum vehicles run on fuel like petrol or diesel. And some machines need our efforts to work. Means your bicycle. Bicycle will not require electricity, even it will not require petrol or diesel. We have to make it work. There is a need to put our own efforts to make it work. So all of you clear about all these machines? Yes, children? Yes, very good children. Now we'll see the next thing. What is a computer? Okay. Yes, very good. See children, computer is an electronic machine. See children, computer runs on electricity, yes or no? Without electricity, it is not going to work. So computer is a electronic machine. Computer follow our commands. Yes. See children, computer will not work by its own. we have to give the commands to the computer, and that commands computer will be going to follow. Okay, so because of this, computer follow our commands. It will not work by its own. Computer can store and remember lots of information. See children, computer has a large memory. Okay, computer has a large memory. It can store so many files, so many data in it. Okay, and it can remember also. Means what? Suppose today I save one file in computer. Okay, and after 1 month I want that file again. So if I try to open the file which I already saved in computer in last month, if I'll try to open that file, computer is going to tell me, I forgot the thing, don't ask me. Computer is going to tell to you this way? No. Okay, computer can show you easily. If you'll open that file, definitely it will show to you. So computer can store things and remember also lots of information. Computer can do our work so much faster. You remember? I give an example of a washing machine. Yes, how it is going to work fast. Okay, how machine is going to help us to work fast. So computer also a machine. Yes or no? Computer also a machine made by man. So computer can do our work so much faster. Computer never gets tired. Suppose children, I'm going to tell you tomorrow whole day you are going to sit in front of the computer. You will start the computer and you do your work on computer from morning 8 o'clock till evening 8 o'clock. What will happen? Who will get tired? Computer? No. Then you definitely will get tired, will feel tired. Okay? But computer never gets tired. Computer will not tell you, I don't want to work. Yes, computer is going to tell to you, I don't want to work. No, computer will never tell you. Computer never gets tired. So all of you clear about all this thing? What is a computer? Computer is an electronic machine as it works on electricity. Computer follow our commands. Computer can store and remember lots of information. Computer can do our work so much faster. Okay. And computer never gets tired. Now we'll see the next thing. Now children, we are going to see types of computer. There are different types of computers that we use every day. Some run on electricity and some on battery. Yes or no? Just now we have seen few machines work on electricity, few machines work on battery. So computer is also a machine. So it can run on electricity and it can run on battery also. Now children, let's learn about them. See, the first type of a computer is desktop PC. Yes, which you will be able to see in bank also, in offices also. Okay, this type of PC is known as a desktop PC. See children, PC stands for what? What is the full form of PC? Personal computer. Okay, it need electricity to run and usually it kept on the table. See children, this type of computer, desktop computer, okay, we require to keep them on one table. Okay, you can't keep this anywhere. You can't fold it and keep it anywhere. You have to keep it or place it properly on the table. Yes, and this kind of computers runs on electricity. Without electricity, this type of computer will not work. Yes, children. So clear about the first type of a computer? Yes. Now we'll see the second type of a computer. Yes, laptop. Most of you know very well, and I know most of you are using also. Okay. So this is a laptop. It need battery to run. Inside the laptop, there is a battery. Okay. And smaller than a desktop PC. See children, it is small in size compared to the desktop PC. Even we can carry in our bag also. Yes or no? It is light in weight. You can fold it, you can put it in the bag, you can take the laptop from one place to another easily. But you can't carry desktop computer from one place to another. Understood? Yes, but laptop you can easily carry from one place to another because of a small size, and it is light in weight also. So this is the second type of a computer. Now we'll see the third one. That is the tablet. Yes, can you see the picture of the tab? Yes. See children, tablet runs on battery and smaller than the laptop and can do almost all the things that a laptop can do. See children, tablet is run on a battery. Inside the tab there is a battery, but we have to charge that battery. Yes or no? By giving the electricity supply. How we charge our mobile phone? Same way we have to charge tablet also and laptop also. Yes, and if if that tablet or laptop battery is charged full, then you can work on that properly or it will run. Okay, and it is smaller than the laptop, and the same way it is going to be function, how laptop is going to function, same way you can work on tab also. Okay children, so all of you clear about the tablet or tab? Usually you called it as a tab. Okay, yes, that is the tablet only. Now we'll see the fourth type of a computer, that is the mobile phone. Most of we are using only, yes or no? Yes, we are using. This is the mobile. It is also one of the type of a computer. Mobile needs battery to run and can help to make calls, send messages, and easily fit in your pocket. See children, all of you know about that. Mobile run on battery, but we have to charge that battery by giving the electricity supply. Yes or no? Yes. Yes. So mobile needs battery to run. And with the help of this mobile phone, you can easily make call. Yes. Yes or no? We are using mobile for calling. Yes. Then you can send the messages also, that you all know WhatsApp is there. Yes. So what you are doing with the help of WhatsApp, you are sending the message, no? Yes, to your friend. Yes. And how you can carry it? You can carry it easily, my children. It will fit in your pocket also. So these are all types of a computer. First one is desktop PC. So desktop PC require what? Table. Okay, we have to keep the desktop PC on a table, and it is going to run on electricity. Without electricity, desktop computer will not work. This is the first type of a computer. Second type of a computer is a laptop. So laptop is small in size. Yes, you can place it or you can carry from one place to other place easily. It is light in weight and it is going to run on a battery. Yes. Third is tablet. So tablet also run on battery and it is smaller than the laptop. Whichever work you can do on laptop, same way you can work on tab also. And the fourth one is mobile phone. So mobile phone also needs battery to run and can help to make calls, send messages, and it will easily fit in your pocket. So all of you clear about the four types of computer? Yes or no? Yes? Yes. Very good children. Now we'll see the recap soon. Machines are man-made things. Yes or no? Yes. Who made the machine? Man. So machines are man-made things. Second, we use machines in our day-to-day life. That I already explained to you, no children? At our home also, there are so many machines available at our home. Like television is there, okay? Refrigerator is there, washing machine is there, oven is there. Yes, so machines are used in our day-to-day life. Machine help us save time and work faster. Remember example of a washing machine. Very good children. Computer is a smart machine that we all know. It work fast, it save our time. Yes. Computers run on electricity or battery. Means children, there are 4 different types of computer that I already told to you. I already explained to you. But from that, desktop computer run on electricity and other type of computer that run on battery. Because of this, it is mentioned over here, computers run on electricity or battery. And the last one is desktop PCs, laptops, tablets, and smartphone are different types of computer. Yes, children, 4 types of computers are desktop PCs, laptop, tablet means tab, and smartphone. These are the 4 types of computer. Okay, children. So this lesson get over, and I am going to send you the whatever is there, like project zone is there, assessment zone is there. Okay, so on that, or on that worksheet, I'm going to prepare the second video, so you have to refer the second video for your assessment zone and practice zone. Okay, children, so all of you clear about all this whole lesson? Yes or no? Yes, very smart children.